Good morning children, welcome to online class. In today's class, we are going to discuss new chapter from mathematics, that is Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Children, before going to say what is Roman numerals, I am going to ask you what is our numeric system. There is a name for it. What is that, children? Hindu Arabic numeral system. Hindu Arabic numeral system, children. Right now we are going to see what is Roman numerals. Children, any of the letter that represents any of the letters or letter that represents any of the letters that represents they are not as any of the letter that represents numbers. Children, any of the letter that represents number are called Roman numerals. Roman numerals or Roman numerical system, children, or Roman numerical system. Children, we have Hindu Arabic system. Hindu Arabic numeric system or number system, you can say anything, but different the country Roman, you can say that Rome. Okay, so they use any of the letters, means any of the letter that represents number. We directly represent number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. But any of the letter that represents number are called Roman numerals or Roman numerical system, children. Children, right now we'll see how we represent numbers by using letters. How we represent numbers by using letters, children. Okay, children, I equal to 1. In the Roman numerical system, according to Roman numerical system, the letter I equals to 1, value 1, children. Next, V means 5. Next, X means 10. Next, L means 50, children. C 100. Next, D 500 children. Next, M 1000. Children, if you want to represent numbers in Roman numerical system, you need to use these letters, children. That are I means 1, the value 1. V means the value 5. X the value 10. L means the value 50, children. C means 100. D means 500. M equal to 1000, children. Understand, children? We represent numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. But here we are using particularly Roman numerical system. So we need to follow these letters. Here the letters representing the numbers. I already said the definition, children. Any of the letter that represent numbers are called Roman numerical system, children. Here every letter is representing one value, children. That is I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, M means 1000, D means 500, C means 100, L 50, children. Understand, children? Children, Roman number 1, children, from revision exercise from chapter 2, that is Roman numerals. Chapter 2, children. Children, Roman number 1, write Hindu Arabic numerals. What they said? They said to write Hindu Arabic numerals, means 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, children. For For what? For the following Roman numerals. Understand, children? They said clearly write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. They given Roman numerals, children. I already said here there are letters. There are letters. They given letters, but here we need to take these letters and represent numbers. I already said that I equal to 1, B equal to 5, next X equal to 10. Like that I said no. In this case, each and every letter is expressing one value, children. Here too we will see how we can convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals by Roman numerals, from Roman numerals. First one, see, children. Here they given XV. XV. What is the value X? We already discussed. The value is 10 for the value for X letter. Understand, children? X is the letter, and that Roman letter represents the value 10. Next, V. What is V, children? What is V? What is the value of V? 5. V is the letter and it represents 5, number 5. So we are taking 5, but they given both as combined, no? So here also we need to add both of them. 10 plus 5, what, children? What's the value? 15. 10, 5, totally 15 is the answer, children. Next, coming to 6th one. From this Roman, next here the letter is C, and it represents the value what? C represents the value what, children? C, L, C, D, M. We already discussed. C is nothing but 100. Then, okay, what's the value D? D is a letter that represents one value. What is that value? 500. 500 is the value that represents this letter D. So they are combined, no? So we need to add both of them. 100 plus 500, how much, children? 600. 600 is a value for this, children. Next, coming to the 8th one, here they given 3 letters, and the first letter is D, children. The letter D represents one value. What is that? What is the value, children? Here, see, 500. Next, plus value C. C is the letter and that represents one value. What is the value of C? 100. Okay. Next, L. We already discussed L. Here not there, but when I said the letters and their value representation, in that the value of letter L is 50, children. 50. So add all these 3 figures, children. That is 500 plus 100. How much? 600. 600 plus 50. 650. Understand, children? Like this, you have to convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals from the following Roman numerals, children. We continue up to here. We'll discuss the next Roman in the next class, children. Thank you, children.